Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, I've been doing a series of videos on what I'm calling a redneck wine cellar, and that's mainly to lower expectations, but it is really coming along and it's turning out to be pretty cool so far. So in the prior videos, I worked on a new exterior for the stairwell, including a new roof and a new set of stairs. And this week, it's a new interior for the stairwell. So it's finally starting to take shape, and I can kind of see maybe how it's going to turn out in the end. And I'm pretty excited about it. So I appreciate you guys, and thanks for hanging around. Regretting that I took it off because it acted as scaffolding. Hey guys, so I just want to give you a quick 30-minute spiel on drywall. 30 minutes, 30-second spiel on drywall for what it's worth. These are my observations, and take it for what it's worth. But the first thing is, by the way, pros do this with such ease, and so I really have a lot of respect for those people. So anyway, it is kind of an art. But anyway, when you've got a drywall next to each other, butt it up, and do whatever you can to make sure this is flush. In this case, the bottom is kind of back a little bit from the top, so if you have to use shims or anything just to get it out nice and flush, it'll make your life a lot easier. Trust me, I've done that before. And so the second observation is less is more with the joint compound or the mud. It's just going to make your life a lot easier, and you do have to wait 24 hours after applying mud before you can go back and sand, so you just got to be patient on that one. If it takes an extra day or two, that's fine. It'll just make your life a lot simpler. And I kind of like drywall projects. I haven't done a lot of them, but it's got some built-in downtime there, which is kind of nice. You can take advantage of that. But the second observation is no two joints are created equal. And you can insert your own joke there, but you'll have a beveled side, which is the papered side, and you'll have non-papered side, non-beveled side. And so with the beveled sides, if there are joints there, that's probably the easiest. As long as they're nice and flush, you know, a light coating of mud, some tape, and then wait 24 hours, go back and sand. And you might not have to do that too many times. With the butt joint, it takes a little more finesse, and sometimes you'll have imperfections. You can see even from the edge that it doesn't look exactly flush. But for this one, what I did was actually put mud on the joint before putting tape. I let it dry 24 hours, came back and smoothed it before I did any mud and tape. So that's what I did there. And then For the corners, you know, not a whole lot. I did have a corner trowel at one point and I couldn't find it. So, but yeah, you'll just take the tape and fold it lengthways in half, and you'll put mud and then you'll put the tape down here. And I just used a standard taping knife and went from the corners out like that using the less is more principle. Came back and sanded and put another just very light coat of mud on there. So those are my quick observations. Not 30 minutes, hopefully closer to 30 seconds. And I'm going to be taking some vacation time next week, so I might be out of pocket for a little bit, but I really appreciate you guys and thanks for hanging around. Hello, you want to take him on a tour? Come on, let's take him on a tour. So yeah, that's what it looks like, guys, and it looks so different than it did before, so I'm pretty pleased with it. You can see my makeshift scaffolding that I put in there. That was really helpful because these ceilings are really tall. So anyway, coming along. Thanks, guys.